Tara loved sitting by her grandmother's side, listening to stories about magic and adventure. But her favorite story was about the golden thread, a magical thread that could weave happiness into life. One evening, after listening to the story again, Tara asked, "Grandma, does the golden thread really exist?" Her grandmother smiled and reached into her pocket. She pulled out a tiny spool with a thin golden thread wrapped around it. "This is for you, my child," she said. "Use it wisely." Tara's eyes sparkled as she held the delicate thread. "What do I do with it?" "Whenever you do something kind, patient, or helpful, the thread will work its magic," her grandmother said. Excited, Tara hurried home, eager to test the golden thread. The next morning, she saw her little brother struggling to tie his shoes. Usually, she would be too busy playing, but today, she knelt down and helped him. As she finished tying the last knot, she felt a tiny warmth in her hands. She looked down and saw that the golden thread had grown just a little longer. Throughout the day, Tara found more ways to use her thread. She shared her sweets with a friend, helped her mother carry groceries, and patiently listened to her teacher's instructions. Each time, the golden thread glowed softly and became longer. One day, a girl in her class, Mira, was sitting alone, looking sad. Tara hesitated at first, but then she walked over and asked, "Would you like to play with me?" Mira's face lit up, and they spent the whole afternoon laughing together. That evening, Tara noticed something magical. The golden thread had woven itself into a beautiful bracelet around her wrist. Her grandmother smiled when she saw it. "You have learned the secret, my dear," she said. "Happiness isn't something you find or wish for, it's something you create through kindness and love." Tara hugged her grandmother and looked at the golden bracelet on her wrist. She knew she would never forget its lesson, for she had learned that true magic wasn't in the thread itself, but in the goodness she carried in her heart.